So while printing money is illegal for people like you and me, do you know until today, countries have been going out there to print money literally? As of now, Biden, the new president of the United States, have already agreed and endorsed a new stimulus package of $1.9
trillion coronavirus relief plan. President Biden says it will give families struggling to pay their bills the breathing room that they need.
Many stimulus packages of trillions are now being printed right now to go and flood the market. Now the question you want to ask yourself is, where does all this money go? Right? Where do the money from all this stimulus come in? Because it's not coming into your pocket or mine just sitting down doing nothing. Some of you are living your life 9 to 5, waiting paycheck to paycheck and hoping that you will pull through this crisis. And if you're doing that right now, I want to stop you immediately because you're making the biggest mistake of your life. I urge every single person who is watching this right now to realize what's happening in the world. So while this is a short video just to inspire you guys to understand what's happening today, before you take your first move, I would highly recommend that you do your research first, get some guidance, get some skills in, get a mentor if you want to, study up, really get to know what the whole entire game of investment is about. So understand this, while you and I can't print actual money, there's already tons of money in the market, and all I urge you to do right now is pick up the skills so you can grab this today.